Yo, real quick before this video gets started, I wanted to let you know that in my last video, I asked if people wanted to see the build plans for my truck bed drawers, and a lot of people said they wanted them. So I just went ahead and updated my website with the free plans. So my website is now called dualexbuilds.com. Let me show you on my phone, but you can actually get on this from any website. So once you're on the website, the homepage just has my projects on here. If you scroll down, it just has a description, some pictures, and then it has the build plans right here. Now I just put in an optional donation because I didn't want to actually sell these. So I just wanted to put it in so like if you wanted to pay for it, you can pay for it. If you click on the optional donation button, then it just brings up this page that you enter in the amount that you want to pay. So either you pay $0 or you pay whatever you want. It doesn't matter. But you don't even have to hit that button if you don't want to donate at all. Just hit download PDF and it'll just take you to this page here that has the build plans laid out right here. And then if you want to go even more in depth, then scroll down a little bit more and it says SketchUp file. So you can actually download the SketchUp file on your computer and edit the SketchUp file so that you can completely just modify it or change it to however you want if you're more advanced like that and you just want the plans. Build plans are completely free. I'm going to be posting all of my build plans on here for free. If you want to pay for them, go ahead. If you don't want to pay for them, then hopefully you just get some use out of it. With that, let's get back to the video. Thanks.
So a lot of people have been trying to tell me that they want to see more videos throughout the week. So I'm going to start doing more short stuff because like when I do my builds, it takes a long time to build and edit the videos. I'm going camping tomorrow and I need a little camp shower for that, but I haven't finished that for my truck camper because I'm going to be taking my truck out. So I'm going to show you how to make a portable one with a hose sprayer really quick, really easy. I'm just going to take you with me. Let's go. So you should be able to get everything you need from Home Depot. So I'm headed in there now. So for this to work, we want to go into the garden section and look for the hoses. When you find the hose nozzles, you know you're in the right place. So I'm gonna grab one of these, just get any of them, whichever one you like. And somewhere nearby, you will find this section that has these multi-use sprayers. I'm gonna use a 2-gallon one. If you wanna go cheaper, use the 1 gallon. The 1.5 gallon is actually more expensive than 2 gallons, so I'm getting the 2-gallon one. So for the last thing, you need to go to the plumbing section and find the garden hose fittings. So what you need from the plumbing section is a garden hose adapter with a barbed fitting of 3/8 and a nipple. They just call this a garden hose adapter to make this into a male head because this is a female head, and 2 hose clamps.
Please remove your card. Thank you for shopping at the Home Depot.
So for me, that stuff ended up coming out to $19.39. If I don't tell you the exact number, people will accuse me of lying if I say it was about 20 bucks. But keep in mind, the pricing will be a little bit different for you if you're in a different area than me, which you most likely are. And I also am a veteran, so I get a 10% discount. So I got like $1 off, like $2 off. Keep that in mind, but it was very cheap. So I'm gonna go back now and I'm going to assemble this because this is literally all you need. You don't even need tools. You need like some scissors and a screwdriver. You'll be fine. Guys, wait till you see how easy this is. The only tool you need for this is scissors, and that includes opening the box. So inside the box, you're gonna get this pump, this hose. That's what we're gonna need the barb fitting for, and this water tank that is supposedly 2 gallons, and that's it. So if you guys haven't seen one of these before, basically you just put water in this and then people use this to kind of like spray bleach or like weed sprayer in their yard or whatever. And this is just a pressurized system, so this pump just pumps air into here so that there's not enough room for the matter in here, which is water and air, and then it has to shoot out. So when you press the trigger on this little pump, then the water will shoot out. But all we're going to do is just replace this nozzle with our own nozzle, and then it'll basically replicate being more like a shower. And I've already pre-put this together so you guys can see what it looks like. Just put the barb fitting in here, and then you put the nipple on, and then you put it into here. And you can also use thread tape on this. I didn't because this is such a low pressure system, but you can. So this is the side that you want to keep. So I'm gonna go all the way to the end over here and cut this side off. And this is garbage. Then I'm just going to take this end and put the barb fitting in there with the hose clamp. Make sure you put the hose clamp on the side first. So I had to force this in here because this is actually a 1/4 inch hose. It's really thin. Back when I did this the first time, these used to be thicker hoses, but I guess the company made them thinner. So I had to force it in there. You might need to use some heat or something to get it in there, but like I said, this is a very low pressure system, so it's not a big deal. And if you want to, you could actually get a 1/4 inch adapter. They're really hard to find. Like this, they didn't have them at Home Depot, which is why I used this one. But if you want to order it online or whatever, that'll work too. Then all you gotta do is tighten up a hose clamp on there. And then they give you in the package this feeder straw, so you're just gonna have to make sure that this feeder straw is attached to this end here. And then you're gonna fish that back inside of the tank, and then you just screw this in right here where it came from. Then this end goes on to your hose fitting. I got one of these that has a shower setting on it, but you can use flat, mist, jet, full blast, whatever you want. But I'm using this for a shower, so I got a shower one. This was like $4, I think. And I don't know why I told you to get another hose clamp, because you only need one. But so then you're done, because literally all you need to do is put your water inside of this 2-gallon tank, and then this is your pump slash handle. You just screw that in there, and then you pump it up and use it. So we're gonna test it out right now and make sure it works. Yeah, man, lens is all wet. So there you go. Nice, easy, portable camping shower that anyone can do. You literally just need scissors, maybe a screwdriver. You could probably use the scissors as the screwdriver as well. And $20 at Home Depot, probably less if you can get it somewhere else. If you want to have a warm shower, you can just like leave this out in the sun while you're camping or whatever, and it'll warm up. Or boil some water and pour like half of it in boiled water, half of it in cold, and then it'll be warm water for your shower. Well, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching it all the way to the end. I'm going to be going camping and using that shower at the campsite tomorrow, and I'm going to be testing out my truck bed slide drawer kitchen thing tomorrow as well. So if you guys want to see that, then I can vlog it. I usually only vlog my stealth camping stuff that I used to do back in the day, but if you guys want to see that, then I'm going to take those inputs and I might make a vlog for tomorrow. We'll see. Could be a cool video. Also, everything that I used today, I put links in the description on Amazon. I made a list if you want to check that out. All that stuff is also on dulexbuilds.com. So thank you guys for watching once again, and I'll see you real soon. Later.
Never at ease, I don't know a limit. Chasing a dream, I don't know what sleep is. I got a queen, she lit me the evening. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me the snippet. You well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through a murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cut throat from the low, with no love goes. Women buddy like it's been